Hello everyone! Good afternoon, especially to our dear judges, teachers, and to all my friends present here. My name is Aaron B. Kamden. I am from class 12 Science. My aim in life is to be a cardiologist. My hobbies are singing, dancing, and watching TV. And as I'm also in a choir in the position of a tenor singer. And as a quote that says, superheroes wear cape, but some superheroes wear crown and sash. So I believe that having a positive mindset can lead you to a better way of living. And the traditional dress that I'm wearing today is the Umden Bride NONGPOH attire. Thank you very much.
My name is and I'm from class 11 Commerce, and my hobbies are modeling and dancing, and now I'm wearing Khasi traditional dress. Thank you.
Very good afternoon to you all present here. My name is JINGIAKOP, and I am representing to you a Karbi Anglong traditional dress. So I will give you a short explanation about this dress. Let's start with this one. This one in Karbi they call a poho, and this is pan, and this one is a waistcoat. In Karbi they say a choi or hangtor, and this is a sator. So only that's it. Thank you all.
A warm afternoon to everyone. My name is Balanso Karbuli. I study in class 11 Science. My aim in life is to become an officer. Coming to my personality, I like singing and I like to play badminton. Today I'm wearing a Bnar Khasi dress, traditional dress I mean. It consists of a giant pin which is called and a dhara which is also included this paila. Thank you and have a nice day.
Reba, Hello, Namaste, Assalamualaikum, Sat Sri Akal to everyone. My name is Chandan Singh. I'm an 11th grade science student. I'm 17 years old and my hobbies are playing badminton, cricket, dancing and making crafts. Besides this, I'm also very passionate in learning about society. I'm originally from Bihar, but I'm born and brought up in Meghalaya. I strongly believe in the quote that be the change you want to see in the world, and I used to apply this in my daily life. Today I'm dressed in the Bhoi traditional dress, which is called the Khatalingdo. This is called the Tudong Rinyao. This is called the Jain Pir. This is called Jain Jong. And this necklace is called Pun Paila. This is called Jain Tasor. This is the waistcoat is called Putoy. The sword is called white and the shield is called steep. Thank you so much. Have a good day.
Good afternoon, everyone. Respected judges, my name is JINGIAKOP of Class 11 Science. My hobbies are singing and dancing, and my aim is to become a doctor. Today, I'm wearing an Assamese traditional dress, which is called Mekhala Sador. Thank you.
To every one of you. My name is Tosanhame M. Namru. My hobbies are playing table tennis, badminton, playing the guitar and writing some songs. One of my songs, one of my lines are splashing of sunny hours, clean as a glass, beautiful as flowers. I yet don't know what you are, but your fresh moments leave as a beautiful scar. And the dress that I'm wearing today is the spunk or the turban, the waistcoat or the putoy, the paila or the necklace, or this is the giant boa. I hope everyone like it and thank you.
Good afternoon to you one and all present here, especially to our respected judges and to all my dear friends. Myself, Rejoyful Makri. I study in class 11 Science 3. My aim in life is to be a doctor. My hobbies are dancing, drawing and painting, and modeling. And I always believe with the quote which says, success is not final, failure is not fatal, it is the courage to continue that count. Today I am wearing my own traditional dress, which is called Khararungdo. This is called as Paila, this is called as Jain Pien, this is called as Jain Slari, this is called as Jain Pen. Thank you.
Hello to everyone present here and good afternoon to all, each and every person present here, to my dear judges. My name is Wanshep Lingdo. I'm studying class 11 science. So today I have dressed up in Khadar Lingdo, that is boy traditional. So I have this, which is called a Jain Khomlong. This is called a Jain Penpo. This one is called a Jain Tasot. This one is Hong He. This is Patoy. So that's all. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone and my dear judges. My name is Sonia De and my hobbies are dancing and traveling new places, and I'm wearing Khasi traditional dress which is known as Dhara and Paila. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Judges. I am Panchapal Karkumar. I am 19 years old from class 12 up. My hobbies are cooking, traveling, and my aim in life is to be a professional chef. My dress is traditional Assamese dress. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone and respected judges. My name is Millie Mayong.
I am from class 12. My hobby are dancing and traveling. Today I am wearing traditional Assamese dress. Thank you so much.
Good afternoon everyone, respected principal, judges and all my dear fellow friends. My name is Lungwarjung Danla of class 12 Commerce. My aim in life is to become a businessman and my hobbies are cooking and playing. Thank you. And I'm wearing a traditional dress, Naga traditional. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Nikita Shamachang. Good afternoon, everyone, and to all the respected judges and to all my friends who are present here. My name is Nikita Shamachang, and I'm studying in class 12 Commerce. I found of dancing and to play basketball. And I'm wearing a traditional dress of Marngar. And I'm wearing a Marngar traditional dress. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Hello judges. Hello chief guests. Yeah, first of all, I give thanks to the Lord Jesus Christ who gave me the confidence and the strength to stand here. Yeah, my name is Tinkai Karpang Shadap. I study in class 11 arts. So my hobbies is football. I'm wearing the Garo traditional dress. So this is Kanan, this is Sanki, this is K-pop, this is Katop. So thank you very much.
respected judges. My name is Nishita Khan and I'm from class 12 Arts. My aim in life is to become a lawyer. And there's a common saying that goes, you don't have to be perfect. All you have to do is build up the confidence and stand up for yourself. And that is why I am here, standing right now. Thank you so much. And the traditional, I'm wearing the Pinar traditional attire. And these are the pailas. Thank you so much.
I would like to share some information with you about my dress. This what I'm holding is we used to call as kasti, and this one is kawait, and this one is jantasor, and this one is pun or paila, you can call it, and this one is jan kumlong, and this one is rungyao, and that's all. And I would like to thank to all of you for this introduction.
Especially my dear judges. My name is Banari Langkhan and I'm studying in class 12 Commerce, and my hobbies are dancing, singing and writing, and today I'm wearing the Khasi traditional attire, and there is a saying which says, never let a chance go, and I believe in that quote. Thank you.
First of all, I would like to wish you all a very good afternoon. Now I would like to introduce myself. My name is Kertisius N. Sangma. I'm 17 years old and I'm studying in class 12 science. Now I would like to share you why I'm here. Before, I have no confidence in myself. I always thought that others are better than me. But this pageant encouraged me and inspired me to stand here, represent here on the stage and prove myself that I am not less than anyone else. And now I'm representing as from the Garo tradition. And now I would like to introduce my dress. Here is called, sorry about that. This is called Dakmanda or Gana in Garo. This white belt is called the Senki. This one is called the Chuni in Garo. This one is the Rukbok, which we call in Garo. This is called the Kotup. And this one, this feathers, is called the Dome. That's all about me. Thank you.
Waduh everyone, especially to the respected judges. My name is Amika Mani. I'm studying class 12 science. My aim in life is to become a psychiatrist, and my hobbies are crafting and drawing. I'm wearing an Assamese attire which is known as the Mekla Sador, and these bangles are known as the Gamkaru, and there's a saying that says, where there's a will, there's a way, and I believe in that quote. Thank you.
Hello and good afternoon, dear judges, teachers, chief guests, and to you everyone present here. My name is Iborlang Maring, studying in class 11 science. My hobbies are dancing, singing, and listening to music. Coming from a middle class family, it gives me the motivation and desire to work more harder. My parents are my greatest inspiration. They are my role model, which is why I opted for science stream with a goal in mind to be a great doctor. I am wearing the traditional dress, and they named this red one as the NONGPOH, this one the Jain Tasor, this is the Puny or the Paila, this is the Sti, and this is the white. I am a passionate person with a desire to add value in others' life, and my parents believe that I can. Thank you.
Good afternoon to everyone, my dear respected judges. My name is Bobita MC. My hobbies are dancing, cycling, and modeling. And my aim in life are to become a modeler. I'm representing here a traditional dress which we call as a Tiwa dress. Thank you. Apart from, I'm done. Thank you.
Hello, good afternoon everyone, and to my judges. I am Balaji Lingdo of class 12 arts. I'm representing this cultural dress of Karalingdo, and I mentioned this, all of this my dress, and this is the Jain Tasor, and this third one is the NONGPOH, and the third one is the Jain Kulom. And my hobbies are the basketballs and crafting arts, and thank you so much Alpha for giving me this opportunity. Thank you so much.
of you and all my respective judges. My name is Anshini Kumari and I'm studying in class 12 arts. My hobbies are like singing, painting and modeling. And I'm wearing a beautiful traditional dress which is called lehenga choli. Thank you.
A very good afternoon to you all who are present here, especially respected judges. Me, myself, Markanti Marwin. I'm currently preserving class 12 arts and my aim in life is to become a lawyer. And my hobbies include reading and dancing. The stronger pillar of my life has always been my family, who has been there with me since day one. And yet because of them, I'm still standing here. And the only one motto of my life is, if there is a will, there is a way. And the dress I'm wearing today is Indian traditional dress. Thank you. It's never too late to be what you might have been. Hello everyone, my name is Nancy M. Sangma. I'm 15 years old and I'm studying in class 11 arts. I love listening to music, reading novels and dancing makes me feel alive. I belong to Garo community and I'm wearing Garo attire. I aspire to become a police officer and to serve my country with loyalty. Thank you.
I'm studying class 11 arts and my hobby is dancing. You can be who you want to be if you believe in yourself. This is how I live. Thank you. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm representing Carbon traditional dress. Thank you.
Hello everyone. A very good afternoon to you all and to our respective judges, to our teachers. My name is Penjanai Langsim. I am from Sokar of NONGPOH area, but I currently stay in Sidon. My hobby is singing, doing gardening, listening to music. Besides that, I also love pet animals like cat and dog. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone, my name is Yufisha Makri. I am from Blue House, which is also called as Aquaman. My aim in life is to become as an SI of Lipoy district. My hobbies are singing, dancing and cooking. Right now I am wearing the traditional attire of Khadaringdo. Thank you.
A very good afternoon to you each and everyone, especially to you dear judges. My name is Christina Marvin and I'm from class 11 arts. And my hobbies are dancing and singing. And I have the only one motto in my life is dream high and live simple. And now I'm wearing a Jingiak traditional dress. Thank you.
A very good afternoon to you everyone and my respected judges. I, Fidaman Marwin from class 12 arts. I represent here as Princess Alpha of 2022. My hobbies and my aim in life is to become a footballer. To achieve it, I need to work harder and genuinely. Therefore, I'm working and practicing harder day by day to become a successful footballer and a successful woman to my family. Thank you. And the dress that I'm wearing today is traditional Khasi, and this is Janrindia, and this is Paila. Thank you.